Hi, I'm Ronak Chawla, and I lead our next generation LC systems at Waters. We were absolutely delighted to announce the launch of Alliance iS version 2.0, our next generation software powering the Alliance iS HPLC systems. It provides a host of benefits to our customers. Today, when their users are interacting with the system, they first interact with the system from the touchscreen. Now we have the capability added where we can trace all user actions that impact a method set from that first touch of a touchscreen. So for labs that are looking to be more operationally efficient, for those customers that are trying to see how they can improve user behavior, train their users better, they can see now when they started a startup workflow, a shutdown workflow, serviceability workflows, or even did things like disable a leak sensor. They now have that full end-to-end view. Additionally, for those labs that are trying to be fully compliant, this is the first HPLC system in the market that offers that benefit from the first touch of the touchscreen. Well, Empower, as we know, is the gold standard in the industry today. 80% of novel drugs that are submitted to regulatory bodies are filed with Empower. Today, with this new launch, we're furthering that commitment to our customers, allowing them that full end-to-end traceability with that de facto standard in Empower. All of the actions that affect the method set will be filed in the Empower registry in the audit log. So when customers are working with auditors, they'll be able to go through that and look at it in Empower, just as they have been for all other actions. The FDA has certainly faced some challenges recently in the evolving geopolitical landscape. There has certainly been some staffing shortages. So as the FDA works with our customers, it becomes even more challenging for them to do their jobs. So that only enhances stress of our customers when the FDA is on site looking for the different elements that they look for as they're trying to trace through audit trails. This version of Alliance iS, version 2.0, now allows even more of ease of use with the FDA when they're on site with our customers. They can look through all those actions that users have performed from that first touch of the touchscreen. So as the FDA is adding more stress for our customers, rightly so with the challenges that they're facing, they want to get to those results real time as quickly as possible. And we've now enabled that for customers to be able to do that as the only HPLC in the market with this capability. The Alliance iS now has 4 different variants that are available to customers. We have the TUV, the PDA, the TUV Bio variant, and the PDA Bio variant. Each of these across the family line allows us to meet customers with the needs of their workflows. So today we have that flexibility where customers can choose from the different variants depending on what the needs of their lab are. For the Alliance iS, we're really focusing on 3 key things. One is system performance. We know that system performance is a key aspect of what our customers look for. They look for that reliability and reproducibility. The second is around ease of use. More and more, it's become important that we work with our customers to make our instruments more and more easy to use. And that's a simple thing that goes from their day-to-day and the consumerization of technology. Today, they look in their pocket and they see a phone that's very, very easy to use. In a similar way, we've done that for our systems in the way that they interact with it today. And the last is around operational excellence, a big key element of why we're here today at the HPLC conference. And we're working to make it more and more efficient to use these systems, for customers to understand how their users have been interacting with the system, and for them to fine-tune the way that they interact with the system to make it easier, to make it faster, to make it more and more productive for their labs as they meet their challenges. So with all that, we're really excited for what the future holds for the Alliance iS, and we'll keep delivering and continuing to innovate for the market and for our customers.